strongly disagree with this decision of the Supreme Court. I have utmost respect for our judiciary. I don't think this was the right decision. I think that the prerogative of prorogation has been used for centuries without this kind of challenge. It's perfectly usual to have a Queen's speech. That's what we want to do. But more importantly, let's be in no doubt, there are a lot of people who want to frustrate Brexit. There are a lot of people who basically want to stop this country coming out of the EU. As the law stands, we leave on October the 31st, and I'm very hopeful that we will get a deal. And I think what the people of the country want is to see parliamentarians coming together, working on in the national interest to get this thing done, and that's what we're going to do.
In the light of that explicit judgment, I have instructed the House authorities to prepare, not for the recall, the prorogation was unlawful and is void, to prepare for the resumption of the business of the House of Commons. Specifically, I've instructed the House authorities to undertake such steps as are necessary to ensure that the House of Commons sits tomorrow and that it does so at 11:30 a.m.
They need to get back in there and start debating Brexit. It's the big issue of the day. We're in a national crisis right now, and we leave the European Union in just over a month. So we need to get back in there and start talking about it, because if we don't, then we're going to have some big problems. So great ruling today, and hopefully we're going to be able to get back in there and get talking about Brexit.
I'm not trying to be diplomatic. I'm just trying to be realistic. It's not winning or losing. What happens here today, we're all going to lose from it. And Johnson and the Tory party have destroyed themselves. There will be no Tory party after this. Theresa May just made us look a bunch of fools, and we're not a bunch of fools. With the fact that we don't riot on the streets yet doesn't mean that we're afraid to.
We love you, Boris! We do! Oh, Boris, we love you!